Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to simulate color space on your Android. So first thing to do, you can try to activate developer mode. You can go to your settings or your Android and tap on about phone. Now you can search for build number, tap repeatedly until notification pop up. You are on developer option or developer option is on, and after that you can access developer option in additional settings. This one, here we go, you can tap it, and now you can try to search simulate color space. You can scroll down until you can find a this one, simulate color space. So you can turn this on, you can tap it. This can switch display colors between a few different modes, including a monochrome option. Let's try monochrome, and here we go. Your phone become monochrome, black and white here. And let's try deuter anomaly. So monochrome, but the red color become green, and proton anomaly, red and green, and triton anomaly, blue and yellow here. So feel free to try to simulate color space. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.